everybody. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done, everyone. Can you say hello to Snowy? Oh, he's facing the other way today. Say hello, Snowy. He's giving you a wave. Snowy, have you got some things in your box for us today? Boys and girls, he has. Are you ready to see what's inside Snowy's box today? I'm very excited. Remember, boys and girls, we need to sing our song to find out. Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. The box is shaking. Ooh. What's this, boys and girls? It's a cup. It's a plastic cup, which means you can use this. My turn. Cup. Your turn. My turn again. Cup. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. So today in Snowy's box, we've got a cup. Shall we see what else is inside the box? Ready to sing the song? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. The box is giving a big shake. Ooh. Check what this is. Bring it a bit closer so you can see. Pull it up at the top. That's better. It's a candle. A candle. And mummies and daddies or adults are the only people who are allowed to light this. Not you. No, no, no. We have to stay safe. Candles sometimes have a nice smell to them. My turn. Candle. Your turn. My turn again. Candle. Your turn again. Well done, everybody. So today we've got a cup, candle. I wonder what else is inside the box. Are you ready to find out? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, boys and girls, I'm not sure if you'll even know what this is because not many people have them anymore. Lots of people use telephones instead. It's a camera. Camera. My turn. Camera. Your turn. Excellent. My turn again. Camera. Your turn again. Excellent. So we can take photos with a camera, but most people take them on their phone now. Phone. So today we've got camera, candle, cup. I think there's a couple of more things in Snowy's box. Are you ready? I'm going to put this camera on Snowy's paw so later on he can take a photo. Ready to see what else is in the box? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, this matches what I'm wearing today, boys and girls. What is it? It's a cap. And we wear these to keep the sun off our face. And the weather at the moment in England is very, very hot. Miss Rani loves the hot weather. So Miss Rani always makes sure she wears a cap. My turn. Cap. Your turn. My turn again. Cap. Your turn again. Excellent. Shall we put the cap on Snowy? Oh, it looks very cool. We must be careful with the camera. Looks like he's going on holiday, boys and girls. He's got his cap, his camera to take pictures, his to drink water, and then a nice candle for when he comes home to relax. I think there's one more thing inside our box. Shall we see? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. It's desperate to come out. It's the last thing. What's this, everybody? It's a key to open doors. Unlock doors, actually, not open them. To unlock them and lock them. My turn. Key. Your turn. My turn again. Key. Your turn again. Excellent. So, in Snowy's box today, we had a key, cup, candle, camera, and cap. Today's sound is just trying to put the cap back on Snowy, but it's covering his head, boys and girls, his face. So let's put Snowy back here first on his box. Let's put the candle, cup, key, so we can get his camera on, the cap on. There we go, that's better. Now he looks like he's ready for a holiday. And we'll put the camera on this side, ready for him to take some photos. There we go, boys and girls. Today's sound was we make it at the back of our throat. Miss Rani's mouth is only open a little bit. Have a go at practicing that sound and have a look if you've got any things at home, like a cake, Miss Rani's favourite. Shall we give ourselves a huge set of fireworks for our phonics today? Ready? Well done, everybody. Can you say bye-bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Bye-bye, everyone. Your turn. Excellent, everyone. See you again soon.